Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Supreme Ventures Limited is building on the success of its expansion into Ghana and is now positioning itself for further growth. Executive Chairman Gary Peard outlined the company's growth plans during a recent investor briefing.
We have opportunities in I would say, in all the continents on the planet, with the exception of Antarctica at this point in time. That's the beauty about having the software development. We can provide the advice, and once we have a customer that we can help to achieve profitability, then we'll have the ability to expand the business. So we look forward to, I think, for 2026 again, we should have at least one or two interesting releases where that is concerned. Because we have found a more efficient way in which to diversify outside of Jamaica, and that will allow us to take on more customers as we go forward.
A key development supporting that strategy is the continued build-out of the Supreme Life platform, which has been designed to handle higher transaction volumes on a daily basis. The company is now seeking to onboard additional businesses onto the platform as part of its digital expansion push.
Currently, you have the gaming products, which everybody knows, Supreme 4. You have the phone credit. We are into bill payment. You have remittance, and we have some other businesses that we're going to be putting on top of that. As I said, there'll be a major one within the next 3 to 4 months, which is, as I said, is going to be a game changer. But it's just a part of that strategy of what the Supreme Life is.
Supreme Ventures is also identifying digital businesses to integrate into the Supreme Life ecosystem. Microfinance firms are already on board, including Dollar Financial. Peard was speaking during a recent Mayberry investor briefing. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.